It's that time of year to share some love again. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. Love can be complicated, but so is property investing. We all know couples usually make life-changing decisions together, so I'm here to give some tips for couples who are investing together for the first time. First, decide what your goals are and what type of property investing you want to be involved in. Are we talking about units or houses or commercial properties? No matter what it is, this is something you should discuss with your partner in detail firsthand. Take the time to list each property type's advantages and disadvantages and carefully consider and discuss your risk profiles. You also want to talk about your present and future needs. This, I think, is one of the most important conversations for property investing beginners. Secondly, research about the real estate locations that you can afford that fits your budget and the type of property that you want to invest in. As a first-time couple investor, it's critical to do your due diligence and research before actually making that purchase. Investing in the right location can make a significant impact on the overall success of your investing portfolio as a couple. Third, discuss your other financial goals as a couple. When it comes to property investing, it's important to discuss your financial goals and come to a mutual understanding before making any big investment decisions. Chances are real estate investing and growing a portfolio isn't the only financial goal or life goal that you and your partner will have. It could be retirement plans or traveling around the world or putting your kids through private schooling. Investing in real estate is a great wealth generator when done properly, but it's also important to balance your other life and financial goals as well. Fourth, keep an emergency fund. As love comes and goes, the economy and the world can be unpredictable. COVID-19 was one example where some people lost their income and resort to savings. An emergency fund should be at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Remember to build it up all the time, never let it go empty, and simply use it for the important financial emergencies. Last but not least, consult with experts. Unlike love, which usually only involves 2 people, property investing requires more than that. You need people to invest in you and people that you can discuss about your investment journey. Always contact a property manager, a buyer's agent, a property consultant, and of course a quantity surveyor like us at MCG to help you with your property investing journey and how you can maximize and protect your assets as an investor. Now that's off the hook. Think of property investing as marriage. It's a serious matter that needs a lot of thinking before you make a decision, because once you go into real estate and property investing, well, it's difficult to go back. Invest wisely, lovely couples. Happy Valentine's Day to each and every one of you.